To reset an LG Smart TV, the steps vary depending on the TV's operating system. For models with 2022 WebOS 22 or 2021 WebOS 6.0, start by pressing the Settings button on the remote. Then navigate to All Settings and select the General option. From the General Settings menu, scroll down and choose System, followed by Reset to Initial Settings on the System menu. Confirm the reset by selecting OK on the pop-up window. For models with 2020 WebOS 5.0, press the Settings button, select All Settings, then choose Support and Reset to Initial Settings. Confirm the initialization request on the next pop-up to begin the reset. If you're unsure of your TV's software version, you can find the model information by triple pressing the mute button on the TV remote. By following these steps, you can reset your LG Smart TV to its initial settings.